Hi, my name is Helen Pearson and I'm the CEO of Medic Ambulance Service, and I am sitting here in our brand new office in Sacramento. We just recently moved from our office, which was on Folsom Boulevard. It was a 7,000 square foot building, to this one at 3300 Business Drive in Sacramento, and it is 25,000 square feet. We're very, very excited about it. We've had some growing pains. Luckily, because of some new contracts our business was able to acquire. And so by getting this new piece of land and building, our employees now have places to park their car. It's expanded. We have a 12,500 garage. So our ambulances go in there, and you know how Sacramento weather can be. It's warm and it can be very hard on the paint on the ambulances. Now we're going to be very excited the fact that they can be tucked in their own garage and kept cool, because the air conditioning is also in the garage area. And then of course for the staff, how can you say you're going from a 5,500 square foot office to over 12,500? So people got a little bit more room to spread out, have stuff more in their office besides just a desk. And they're very excited about it. And having a building like this, we're able to accommodate, meaning we now have a wonderful education center. And the education center is for us to use for our employees for continuous education, but we also offer other programs to our contracted clients. And so it's great. And so they can come in, we can meet them. It doesn't always have to be outside on the field. They come into our building and we can greet them and we can train them. And with the state-of-the-art computer system we're having, and for education, we're just very, very excited. The other thing I'd like to add is a heartfelt gratitude to everyone that had something to do with the remaking of this building, because this isn't the way it was purchased. It was purchased and there was then a lot of walls knocked down and floors redone and air conditioning put in, and all to the contractors, the subcontractors, Icon, for the work that you did. We can't thank you enough, because the end product is a success. And we know that during these pandemic times, you had definitely some challenges. Well, I'm here to say you overcame them and the product is perfect. We have a wonderful building that we can grow with, and we couldn't have done it without you. Thank you so much. Thank you.